Hi, my name is Yogita and I'm here with some daily English vocabulary words. Evisceration, which is a noun, meaning take away a vital or essential part of. Prognosticating, which is a verb, meaning to give an indication of in advance. Purv sanket karna. Unenviable, which is an adjective, meaning difficult, undesirable or unpleasant, avanchaniya. Prudent, which is an adjective, meaning careful and avoiding risks. Cumulative, which is an adjective, meaning increasing by one addition after another, बढ़ता हुआ. Imperative, which is a noun, meaning an essential or urgent thing, अनिवार्य. Divergence, which is a noun, meaning a variation that deviates from the standard or norm, भिन्नता. Forbearance, which is a noun, meaning patient self-control, restraint and tolerance, सहनशीलता. Statehood, which is a noun, meaning the status of being a recognized independent nation. Detention, which is a noun, meaning imprisonment, confinement, incarceration, duress, nazarbandi. Anticipated, which is a verb, meaning to imagine or expect that something will happen, पूर्वानुमानित, प्रत्याशित. Vowed, which is a verb, meaning to make a determined decision or promise to do something. Reiterated, which is a verb, meaning to repeat again and again, बार बार कहना या करना. Pledge, which is a noun, meaning a solemn promise. Face off, which is a noun, meaning a direct confrontation between two people or groups, samna. Alienation, which is a noun, meaning separation resulting from hostility. Reckless, which is an adjective, meaning marked by lack of proper caution or careless of consequences, लापरवाह. Delegitimize, which is a verb, meaning to make something not valid or not acceptable. Enduring, which is an adjective, meaning existing for a long time. Formidable, which is an adjective, meaning difficult, hard, tough, severe, painful, exhausting. That's all for today. We'll be back with more vocabulary words.